Hello friends, this is Charujan. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSE Learners. So in this video, we will talk about ideas to celebrate Dussehra virtually. Basically, activities for primary and pre-primary classes. First of all, happy Dussehra to each one of you out there. So let's begin. Our first activity is my favorite role play activity. You can conduct role play in which students of your class can play the role of Ramayana characters like Lakshman, Sita, Hanuman. So they can speak some lines also on these, Ramayana characters. Now move on to next activity. Next activity is quiz. So this is the new and interesting activity. But for quiz, you have to inform students prior 1 month or 3 or 4 weeks so that they can prepare by reading Ramayana or by listening. So for quiz, you have to make the sections, like for class nursery to second you have to make a simple one quiz, and for higher classes from up to third to 8th or 12th you have to make a normal quiz. So for nursery to second you can take easy questions, and for class 3rd to 12 you can take the normal questions. Now move on to next activity. Next activity is skit on any scene. You can conduct skit in which students can prepare any scene of Ramayana like Ravan Vadh and Hanuman and Sita, like Sanjeevani Booty. So any of the scene you can take and students can prepare skit on that, or basically you can teach online, right? Now next activity is dance performance. So students can give dance performance on bhajans or songs related to Dussehra. Next activity is songs plus bhajan. So in this activity, students can sing bhajan like Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, or Ram related to Ram bhajans, right? So I will share some ideas of bhajans. Next is poem recitation. Student can recite poem on the Dussehra or basically Ramayana. Next, you can conduct a puppet show on any scene of Ramayana. In this, puppet show, you can take any scene like Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman. But you have to make your puppets, and you can conduct puppet show. And this is, very interesting. Like seriously, this is very interesting activity when you are conducting or when you are organizing a puppet show for your class. And for the example, you can watch my video. I have shared a puppet show video, so you can take ideas from that also. Next is the most important activities in craft. Like without these, our celebration is incomplete. These are the mandatory ones. Activities and crafts. So for class nursery and KG, you can take coloring sheets along with the craft activities like Ravan puppet, Durga face mask, Toran making, Ravan face mask, or any activity related to that. So for Ravan puppet and Ravan face mask, you can watch my videos as well. So that's all. I hope you find it useful, and if you like my video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.